Apple just dropped a game changer, an app that puts creators in the driver's seat of immersive video for Mac and Vision Pro. Imagine managing mind-blowing 3D content right from your desk, X is buzzing, and this could redefine storytelling. Want this scoop? Let's dive in. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to the channel. Apple's shaking things up with a brand new app, the Apple Immersive Video Utility. Launched today for Mac and Vision Pro, it's all about crafting and controlling immersive video like never before. Think 8K 3D magic, spatial audio, and a creator's dream toolkit. X posts are hyped, and I'm here to break it down. Let's roll. So what's this app? Straight from the Mac App Store, the Apple Immersive Video Utility hit the scene April 7, 2025, and it's free for all. Picture this, you're a creator with a Vision Pro and a Mac. You've got 180-degree 3D footage. Think The Weeknd's latest gig or a Metallica mosh pit, and this app lets you import, organize, and package it like a pro. Playlists? Yup. Sort and search your library. Metadata? Scan and tweak it. Swap audio, tweak visuals, whatever your post-production heart desires. X users are freaking out. This is next level for filmmakers, and it's tied to Apple's push for Vision Pro's immersive video format. CES 2025 vibes are still fresh, and this is Apple doubling down. Why is this blowing up? Immersive video is the future. 8K resolution, 180 degrees view, spatial audio that wraps around you, and Vision Pro is the king of it. But the rollout's been slow until now. Third-party tools like Blackmagic's camera and DaVinci Resolve kick things off, and this app's the missing piece. Connect your Vision Pro to your Mac and stream your work solo or synced for a crew. X users are saying demoing to guests just got slick, and pros love it for studios or screenings. Rolling Stone vibes, but techier. It's not just for Apple's own content anymore. Creators outside Cupertino can jump in, assuming you've got the gear. It's US English only for now, but the buzz? Global. Let's talk perks. This thing's a creator's playground. Import a raw 3D clip, build a playlist, tweak the metadata, then beam it to Vision Pro in seconds. Multi-device sync means group previews are a breeze. Think film class or client pitches. X early adopters are raving, saying, "It streamed my short film to 5 headsets. Flawless. And it's free. No paywall." The catch? You need a Mac with an M1 chip or later, Mac OS Sequoia, and a Vision Pro. Pricey toys. Plus, immersive video is still niche. Average Joes won't use it yet, but for pros or diehard creators, this is the toolkit to make Vision Pro sing. Here's the real talk. This app, which dropped on April 7, 2025, is Apple's bet on immersive storytelling. It's for filmmakers, musicians, even VR nerds, anyone who wants to put viewers inside the action. X chatter's going wild. People are saying Vision Pro's finally getting content juice. And with WWDC around the corner, this might just be the teaser for bigger Vision updates. For you? If you're a creator, it's a chance to jump on a wave before it crests. Summer 2025 could see immersive video explode. Think sports, concerts, your next short film. Are you ready to craft the future? Team immersive or sticking to 2D? Drop your take in the comments.